Hey dolls, so I am back. So I'm going to be showing you dolls how I got this style. I did it a different way. I did not use any gel, spray, glue, anything like that. I wanted to let my hairline breathe. So if you want a wig that you can pop on and off and you don't want to put any gel, glue, or anything like that, then watch this video. You could do it with any wig, but I was like, let me just try this out. It's kind of like the old vibe of how we used to do closure wigs back in the day, but this is actually a frontal wig. So yeah, if y'all want to see where this hair is from and how I styled it like this and got it like this, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so this hair is from sunberHair. So this is the box. I wrote on it because the box just says human hair wigs, and I couldn't, I'm not going to be able to keep up with where it's from because I'm always reviewing lots of hair. So the hair came inside of this bag right here, and I think this is a 20-inch if I'm not mistaken. And then it also came with this scarf. It does have this little picture on it, and it's like ombre, purple, and pink. So real good to like wrap down your edges and stuff at night or whenever you take a shower or whatever. And then also I got a wig cap set in here as well. So that's everything that came in the box. So if y'all watched my video where I had the bangs, then you know what's going on with my hairline and why I did not want to use any glue or anything. So I decided, I was like, let me just see if I could do it a different way, and I still needed to be able to remove this wig easily. So I tried out a different method, okay? And this is like the old school way. Basically, I put the lace behind the hairline, pull some of my hair out to cover, and then I go in with a brown shadow to conceal the lace so that it can blend in with my hair. And I also use some concealer in the part and everything like that, but you will see how I do it. And I just did some really loose big one curls on this hair because I wanted the hair to have a soft curl but not too curly. And this gave me just exactly what I needed. So I just used a larger one for this hair. And also another tip that I did want to tell y'all, you don't have to use the elastic band method with this wig, like as far as sewing an elastic band in to make the wig tighter. All I do is crisscross the straps that come inside of the wig already, like the normal adjustable straps. I just crisscross them as tight as they can be, and that helps the wig to fit more secure. Like I had a struggle putting it on, but it is nice and tight and it's not going anywhere, and there is no gel, glue, spray, and none of that. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I did this, then just continue to watch. Bye dolls. Okay dolls, so first things first, I'm gonna go in and start curling the hair first. I still have the lace on and everything like that, and I really still didn't know how I wanted to do the hair just yet. I just knew I wanted to do a middle part with the way that the hair is colored. So I am taking this larger curling one and just going in and doing some curls. For these curls to really stay and pop, you do need to go ahead and pin curl them, but I didn't want the hair to be too tightly curled, so I'm kind of doing a pin curl method, but I'm just holding the hair in my hand and allowing it to cool down that way instead of going in and actually pinning the hair off. So you will see me kind of curl the hair and then I hold it for a while. I did kind of take out some of the clips so that the video wouldn't be too long, but after I curl the hair, I just hold the curl and let it cool, and then I drop the curl. So now I'm gonna go in and do a part. So I decided I wanted a middle part, of course, because of the way that the hair is colored. I just felt like it would look best with the highlights being just right in the front area only, or the streaks. So yeah, then I'm gonna grab my hot comb and just comb down the parting area so that it can lay nice and flat, so that it won't give that wiggy kind of appearance. I did have a wig cap on, that's why you can see there where the parting area is giving more of a scalp look versus in the front where my hair is at, because I did pull the wig cap back because I didn't want you to be able to see the wig cap. So yeah, now I did go in and cut the lace off, and then I'm just gonna line the wig up. And then I was wondering what I was going to do because I knew I didn't want to gel or glue down this lace or anything like that. So I went in and just kind of finger combed the hair out to break the curls up and everything. I did get a little bit of shedding, not anything super crazy. Most of the shedding probably came from cutting off the lace. And then I did do 2 swoops right in the front, but I didn't like it. So then I just went back in and combed that out. And then I'm going to go in with this dark brown eyeshadow and just blend it in right in the front where the lace is, so that it doesn't have that scalp look where there needs to actually be hair, if you know what I'm saying. So then after I do that, I just kind of flip my hair over the front area. And this is pretty much how you conceal the lace and leave your hair out in the front. But we do still have to work on the part area. You can definitely see the lace going straight across the front area, and we will blend that in with some eyeshadow. Once again, you could use a black or a dark brown, whatever you prefer to use. I just used a dark brown. It just gives it like a nice gradient kind of look. So yeah, I'm just going in with the eyeshadow and just putting it on with a angled makeup brush. And then I'm also going to grab some concealer and just do a part right down the center. You do want to put the part where your hair is at also. You want to put the concealer there so that it can look like a continuous part. And it does look kind of wide in the front, but we will fix that later. So don't worry about that. You definitely have to trust the process whenever you are doing this kind of method. But I know if y'all wear wigs and you've been wearing them for a while, you definitely remember doing this with closure wigs back in the day, because this was like the only method back then. Nobody was gluing them down with hairspray and stuff like that back in the day, if you know what I'm saying. So I just take my towel and I'm just kind of like patting out the concealer because I didn't want to weight it down or use any mousse or anything like that. So now I'm going to go back in with the brown eyeshadow, and you can see now that I'm just lining it up with the parting area so that the concealer area can look like a nice straight line and it's not wide or anything like that, and it just blends in really good. So it just looks like a regular part, and then you just want to play around with the wig and make sure it is centered and is placed where you want it to be. So yeah, then I'm just going to play around with the hair and kind of position it how I want it to be. But that pretty much covers how I conceal the parting area and the lace and all of that jazz. On the side you can kind of see the lace a little bit, but that part is mostly covered by the hair. But you know, if you move a certain way, obviously you're going to be able to see it. So you can conceal the whole hairline if you want. And then this is the finished look. I forgot to make an outro for y'all, but yeah, this is the completed look of the hair. Really, really pretty, and this hair is really nice.